Welcome at your Knowliah dashboard. To create a new matter, open the Matter tab. Here we are in the Matter Management module. This is where you manage different types of matters. Let's create a generic matter. Click on New Matter to open the creation form. Here we go. Give the matter a name and choose the right matter type, such as contract or advice. Fill in other important details such as close date and country, for example. Choose the risk assessment level here. Determine the level of confidentiality of this matter here. Some fields are mandatory, such as status. Choose the option that applies to this matter. Assign the appropriate matter manager. Choose the entity, counterparty, and service provider. Once you have filled in all the fields correctly, click Save. After saving the matter, you see the 360-degree overview, all linked documents, emails, activities, deadlines, and task statuses in one central location. Let's create a task for this matter. Give the task a name and select the task type, such as review or follow-up, for example. Fill in all the mandatory fields, namely task status, executor, deadline, year, type, and task name. You can also complete optional fields such as priority levels, allocated hours, a description, etc. Once everything is filled in, the task will be assigned to the relevant person by clicking on Save. There you go. The task has been created and you can easily find and track it within the corresponding matter. Want to find the matters you've created? Check either My Matters or All Matters to get an overview. Want to learn more? Get in touch with our experts.